2024 is the year of LEGO Space and has me in the mood to build up a custom spaceship, but not just any old spaceship will do. Inspiration struck when I got bitten by a mosquito, and after swatting it away, I thought it might make the perfect form factor for an asteroid mining spaceship. Today, let's design an awesome custom mosquito space station, and maybe even a little asteroid for it to mine. We can start off by stealing this ball from Baby Yoda.
Give me the ball.
Which I want to use as an eye for our bug. Maybe it's an inflatable habitat for our astronauts. Normally, this bit goes around a minifigure head, but to attach it here with some friction, I'll add a tire to this assembly and sandwich a snot brick between the two. Then, we can connect in the two hemispheres. For the mining sucker thing, we can attach these white and silver details, before we turn our attention to the skier, who will have to make do with just one pole. Now, let's build up the neck with a small ball joint we can use to connect this in later on. And with that, the space station's head is complete, and we can turn our attention to building the engines. To start the abdomen, I have this fun LEGO City water gun part. I like the look of this rubber bit, so we can just pull that off. We'll need to figure out a way to connect it into this interesting Technic suspension part I want to use. I'll start by adding a pair of triaxles, and then this axle connector. Onto that, I'll add a gear, which we can use to attach that turkey baster looking rubber bit. Then, let's connect in a pair of large lightsaber hilts to serve as cold gas thrusters. Up next, let's build up some structure to use for the rest of the build. I'll connect in a double socket that we can use for attaching the legs later on. Then, for the main engine, I want to use this large cone part as a vacuum nozzle. To attach it, I'll start by removing the double socket to build up some more structure. First, let's add in these axles and a pair of lift arms. After adding some pins, let's reattach it. And then we can add this bionicle Mictoran torso for some added detail. A tube, half pin, and plate will allow for that nozzle to attach in. But I still want a little more detail inside the engine. For that, I'll use this Technic clutch part for its perfectly greebly details. After that, let's add in some more greebles with these corrugated tubes connected to the Mictoran torso. To continue the tube details on the top side, let's add some half pins to these bar plates so we can connect some cables between them and the underside of the build. We can cover up this hole on the top by using the shield, then connecting a robot hand and a tile.